Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Kadevru, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with our chapter 14 practical geometry. So children, let us start with the chapter. Children, today we are going to study about line segment. You already know a line segment has two ends. So children, when I say to draw a line segment of say 5 centimeters, what you would do? You take your scale, you take your pencil and just draw. So this is a common method which we follow. So in this chapter we are going to use the ruler and compass to draw a line segment. So let us study how to draw it. Example, if I tell you to draw a line segment of say 4.5 centimeters, the first thing you have to do is draw a line say L of any measurement. Next, mark a point A on it. Now with A as your starting point, initial point, that is, keep your scale and it should be from here. So this is what generally we do. Now with the help of rounder, what we have to do now 4.5 centimeters, with the help of your ruler and compass, take the measurement of 4.5 centimeters. So take the measurement like this. See, it is 4.5 centimeters. So take exactly like this. Now with the point A as the center, what you have to do? You have to mark the point, that is, cut the line with radius 4.5 centimeters. Now mark this point as B and the distance between A and B is 4.5 centimeters. So children, whenever they give you any measurement, just take your ruler and whatever radius they say, with the help of your rounder, that is compass, take the measurement what they have told and then with point A as the center and just cut the line. You will get the required measurement. Exercise 14.2. First one, draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler, not compass, just ruler, which we follow earlier. Before knowing this compass method, what we used to follow, same thing you have to follow. So first, draw a line segment. So I have taken a line L, mark any point A on it, and now place the ruler in such a way that the zero of the ruler should lie on this point and the line should coincide exactly with the ruler. So now it is exactly on the zero mark, isn't it? Now check 7.3. 7 is here, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. So mark the point. So here we have 7.3. Now mark this as B and 7.3. This is the method which we use using the ruler. Question number 2. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compasses. So draw a line L, mark any point A on it. Now use your ruler and your compass with 5.6 centimeters. So children, when you observe, my 5.6 lies at this line. So from this, take the radius. See, it is exactly with 0, isn't it? Now with this as the radius, that is 5.6, with A as center, cut the line L. So here you get a point, isn't it? So mark this point as B and the length of A and B is 5.6 centimeters. I hope you all are understanding. Question number 3. Construct AB, line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeters and from this cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeters. Measure BC. So children, first let us construct a line segment AB of length 7.8 centimeters. So for that, draw a line L Mark any point here A, and now take your scale and take your compass, and the radius should be how much? The length of AB should be 7.8 centimeters. So children, observe here, I have taken the radius 7.8 centimeters. You also measure it like this, and then with A as center, cut the line L. So here it is cutting, so it becomes 7.8 centimeters. So mark it as B and 7.8 centimeters. Now they have also told to cut the length AC of length 4.7. So with A as center and take the scale and ruler and measure 4.7 and cut it. So children, observe here, I have taken 4.7 centimeters. Now with A as center and radius 4.7, that is length 4.7, cut it. Now again you got a point, and that point becomes C, and this will be 4.7 centimeters. Now you have to measure BC. What is remaining? Either you can measure with the ruler scale, or you can directly subtract. So children, when you observe, you see that from here to this point B, it is 3.1. So 7.8 minus 4.7, it is 3.1. Question number 4. Given AB of length 3.9 centimeters, construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice than that of AB. So the length of this PQ will be 2 times of AB. Next, verify by measurement. So hint they have given is construct PX such that the length of PX is equals to length of AB. So this PX should be length of AB, that is 3.9 centimeters. Then cut off XQ such that XQ is also equal to length of AB. So let us do it. So children, here I have taken AB and the length of AB is 3.9 centimeters. Now you have to construct PQ. I have marked P, I don't know Q. So it will be 2 times AB. So what is my AB? So children, I have taken the measurement, that is it should be AB, isn't it? Now with P as center, I will take 1 time, as they have told twice. So I will take 1 time, and now with this as center, I will do again 1 time. So it will become twice, isn't it? So this becomes PQ and this will be X. So PX is equals to XQ. PX is equals to XQ. And what is the measurement of PQ? It will be 3.9 plus 3.9. It will be 7.8. Question number 5. Given line segment AB of length 7.3 centimeters and line segment CD of length 3.4 centimeter. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between lengths of AB and CD. Verify by measurement. So children, these are the two lengths. First subtract them, and whatever answer you get, that centimeter line you have to draw and name it as XY. So subtract, it becomes 3 minus 4 cannot do, so borrow it. 13 minus 4 becomes 9, place point. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3.9 centimeters line you have to draw. So children, observe it, 3.9. It is little bit dark, but try to see it. It is 3.9 measurement. Take it accurately, and then with X as the center, just cut the line, and this becomes Y. So mark 3.9 centimeters. There is another way to do it. First draw a line L, mark A, and with pencil, scale and ruler, mark 7.3 centimeters length of AB. Now CD, same method you have to follow, where the CD is of 3.4 centimeter and this will be 7.3. Now cut this length in this line. So take this length and just cut it. After cutting, this will be your XY. So measure this line. So measure this and then draw. When you observe, you get same length. So this is how we have to do, or you can follow direct subtraction and this one, both are same.